Hello everyone and welcome to Rohit's Kitchen Garden. In this video, I will be giving you some useful information on plant nutrition. Plant nutrition is supplied from two sources, organic and inorganic. If you recently started gardening, you might have heard the term and wondered what is NPK. NPK are the chemical symbols of the three most required elements of a plant: nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. This video has two parts: the fertilizers point of view, which I will explain now, and the element nutrients role and organic sources. NPK fertilizers are very easily available in organic and inorganic forms. Supposing you are buying an artificial one such as this, you may wonder, what are these numbers? These numbers are the proportions of nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium respectively. In this case, 19-19-19 means that the fertilizer contains 19% of each of those nutrients along with beneficial extra elements. Here I will be showing you how to use a chemical fertilizer in plants. The NPK proportions are the same, 20 for all. That is a high value. So add about 3.5 teaspoons in 5 liters of water and mix it well till all of it has dissolved. Once you're done with that, you can just water normally. I have been using this fertilizer on my plants for about 2 months and I have had very good results till now. So now come the organic sources. Organic sources are usually slow effective nutrient sources which help over time. They could be rich in one nutrient or more, but always have lots of nutrients to help your plants. Once you are done making your cup of tea or coffee, don't throw away the grounds. Use them in your garden. They are a good source of nitrogen for your plants. Nitrogen helps to grow the foliage of your plant. Its deficiency will cause loss of leaves or color in them. Eggshells are a good source of phosphorus and also calcium. Phosphorus is a source of energy for plants to carry out its activities. Deficiency in phosphorus will of course cause the plant to grow slower. Banana peels or stalks are an excellent source of potassium. Potassium helps in photosynthesis significantly. Its deficiency causes yellowing of the plant from the lower side.